Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. My reaction. Hey One Direction. Hi. I just want to say to the fans out there who reacted to my who watched my few videos I did of Zayn. Hi. Someone sent me this link. This is Zayn Malik and Liam Payne. Power vocals duo, best vocals, high notes. I know these guys can sing from group One Direction. The One Direction had their moment before the band separated and stopped working together as a whole. They're such a talented group. All them whores out there were throwing their panties at these guys, and these guys are really good. So let's see their vocal. Oh, when they were so younger.
And I'm joining up the dance with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me.
Ooh, Liam.
I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You've never loved your stomach with thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth.
Oh, the hair that he used to have back in the day.
It's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you, and all these little things.
Ooh.
Yeah, I've never had the words to say, but now I'm
Oh my god, when it was so younger.
for a little while inside my arms.
Memories.
Close your eyes tonight, I pray that you will see the light.
Come on.
That's shining from the stars.
Live vocals, bitches.
Now say,
Told you. People, they were selling our shows. Ooh, my ears with this. Oh. I love how the groups they how they back each other vocally and everything. Come on, Zayn, because we know you have the vocals. Oh, the whole voice is compatible with each other. It's good. It's good. Oh my god, this is so old. Oh my god, memories. What makes it beautiful was such a hit single for them. Child, whoever left this recommendation is taking me back. Ugh, Jesus. Come on, Zayn. Yes. I missed. Oh, they used to be showing out when he performed. on, Liam. Let them know they're not the only one who could hit these notes. Wasn't this group on in one of those singing competition shows? Was it X Factor? Was it American Idols? It was on one of these shows. That's where they were formed. I think it's X Factor because I could smell Simon Cowell in this. Come, I knew that was Zayn. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, my son. You know. Oh, my sweet like them. My song. Oh. Oh, taking me back. Take me back. You know, be like them. You are not. Be like them. Oh, I love him with this facial hair. Yes.
He won't love you like I would.
Oh, this is when they was getting. This is when they were showing out. This was when they were showing out. Before they went away. Before they went disbanded. Can I think, is there any pop boy group out right now? Besides K-pop and J-pop in America or in the UK that I could think of? No. No, I think they were the last ones. Damn, the music industry really has changed. Oof.
Everybody wants to steal my girl. Everybody wants to steal good love.
Come on.
We'll find another one 'cause she belongs to me.
Oh, they saw like the studio raw version. You do have that nice rock voice. I love it. Oh, after I'm done this, I am definitely gonna stream the album. Wanna be like them. Wow, what a way to take me back. Wow. Thank you. What a way to take me back for the person who recommended that. what a way to take me back to when One Direction came out. It was what makes you beautiful. That song was such a hit record on the radio, especially even during my college days when college girls went to their concert. I had a friend who was such a huge fan of them. She went to their concert and things and such nature, and she loved it. She showed me some videos of it, some pictures she took, and I was like, wow, these guys can really perform. They're really talented. What a way to take me back. And I really can't think of another all-male group. After them, I really can't think of anyone. I know female group like Little Mix, Fifth Harmony and such, but I can't remember any male group after that. Oh, and they're all vocally talented. It's America have a history of not really having long-lasting groups. You know, someone always has to go on a solo career, egos get involved. But thanks for person for that. This was a trip down memory lane. Oh wow, so I want to say thank you so much for that recommendation. I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.